Hi friends, welcome to Rajan Robotics in our Python series of quiz. So today we are going to recognize the functions. So already we have done the similar type of question in the 23rd. So in the 23rd, now we are going to have another type to understand the functions better. So def function return y plus 1, then we are declaring y equal to 1, print function. So this is the question and the options are option A 2, option B 1, option C error, option D none. So this is a question. Now the time starts now to think about the answer. Yes, I hope you have guessed the answer. The answer for this question is 2. So this is the answer. So let us understand why we get this answer. The same explanation we are going to understand functions. Okay, so def function return y plus 1, y equal to 1 print function. So when we say def function, so first line of the program itself we are saying def function. So it will never read the remaining function lines. So it goes to the next line. So here it comes, it will create y equal to 1. Then print function. Now it calls the function, it goes into the function. So when the function is called, by default it will get y equal to 1. So even though it is defined after the function, but it is called, the value is declared before the function call. So y equal to 1, so function takes y equal to 1. So when it says return y equal to 1, so we get y plus 1 added 2, and y value is 1, so 1 plus 1 added 2, return 2 to the function call. So the function call is done here, so it returns back 2 to the function call. So function will be saying 2. So when we say print function, that is function is 2, so we get 2 as the answer. So in this way we can understand the functions, how we can declare the variables either before the function or after the function call. So now let us say this practically, so to understand better. So now let us run the module. See this, we get 2 as answer. So this we can, because we have understand the logic why it is happening, because we are declaring the value before the function call. So if we declare it after the function call, it may throw error. That we can discuss later. So what happens if we declare the value after the function call, right? So that we can see in another sort of quiz to understand the concepts better. So in this way, to understand and learn Python, advanced Python, machine learning, or Arduino, advanced Arduino, and many other courses, robotics, and any other courses. So register your details in the link specified here. You can also scan this QR code to register your details, and it is also specified in the first comment of this video and also in the description of the video. So thank you for watching the video, and you can also follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram in the official pages of Rajan Robotics, and subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends so that you and they also can learn more concepts about Python and enhance the skill. Thank you.